To add multiple accounts on Instagram on laptop, head over to Instagram.com. There are two ways that you can add multiple accounts. You can either click on More from the left-hand side panel and then on Switch Accounts, or you can locate your profile picture on the top right-hand side and click on Switch. This will redirect you to an Instagram pop-up page. Fill out your login details by entering your phone number, username, or email address of your secondary Instagram account, as well as the password for that account. You can select whether you want to save the login info or not, and once you're done doing that, click on Login at the bottom. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my other Instagram account. Just follow the same steps as before to switch back to your original Instagram account. If you want even more Instagram tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.